Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use array in C++. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use arrays in C++. Before entering into the topic, we should know what is meant by array. So, an array is a series of elements of same type placed in a contiguous memory location that can be individually referenced by adding an index to a unique identifier. Or an array is a collection of identical data types stored under a common name in a contiguous memory location. So what is the use of array? If you want to store multiple values under a common name, you can use arrays. So traditionally we'll be using a variable to store a value, but in array we can use multiple values in order to store under a common name. It is called as array. Array can be classified as follows. So there are two types of arrays. One is one-dimensional array or a single-dimensional array, and next one is two-dimensional or multi-dimensional array. So example for one-dimensional array, here you can see integer a of 3 and float a of 10. And example for two-dimensional array, so integer a of 3 and float 3 of 5. So here comes the array declaration. First, type. What is the type? Data type. That is an integer, float, or character, followed by the array name. Any name, you can use a user-defined name. And what is the size of an array? It's a single-dimensional array. That's why it's having only one dimension. And for example, integer 5. Next time I'm going to assign the value integer sum of 5 equal to. So I'm going to assign 5 values. How this value can be identified, or how this value can be shared or located inside the array. Here the name of array is sum, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is called as array index. So keep it in mind, array index always starts with 0. Now sum of 0 you want to store 2, and sum of 1 you want to store 4, and sum of 2 you want to store 6, and sum of 3 you want to store 8, and sum of 4 you want to store 10. So this is the way you want to use a single dimensional array. What about multi-dimensional array? So two-dimensional array followed by type, that is a data type, integer, float, or character, followed by the array name, and followed by number of rows and number of columns. For example, integer, the data type is integer, the array name is x, the size is 3 rows, 4 columns. So how many row values it can store? It can store 3 into 4, 12 values it can store. So how it can be stored? So for example, it's a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So row 1, row 2, row 3. So how to locate this area? It is nothing but x of 0, 0, and this one is x of 0, 1, and this one is x of 0, 2, and this one is x of 0, 3, and this location is x of 1, 0, and this one is 1, 1, and x of 1, 2, and so on. So now we are going to implement the same using Eclipse editor. I'm going to open the Eclipse editor. First I will show you a demo for one-dimensional array, and then I will show one demo for two-dimensional array. Just hold on a second in order to open Eclipse editor. Okay, so I'm going for file, new, C++ project. This time I'm planning to use all over C++. So let us say array 1, and then finish. It will take few minutes. So why I've chosen all over C++? Because no need to type everything, right? I'm just going to modify right here. I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to declare integer a of 5 equal to, I'm going to give 5 values. Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So going to use semicolon, and then now it's a data type, and this is an array name, and size is 5. You have stored 5 values. So now you want to display the value. How to display the value? Let us say a of 0. What is the value inside a of 0? Let us say a of 0. So I want to use comma. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste in order to save the time. So now I'm going to change this one as a of 1, and here a of 1, followed by 2, and followed by 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 3, and we are in need of one more, 4. 0 to 4 is 5. So now go to file to save the project, and go to project and build project. Yes, here you can see no errors. Then go to run. See where you can see this value. Okay, so a of 0, the one, a of 1 is 2, a of 2 is 3, a of 3 is 4, a of 4 is 5. So this is how you can use a one-dimensional array, as simple. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.